All right, many people have asked this question: what is Amazon KDP? Ranging from different questions like this: what is Amazon KDP? And people have been on the internet searching, looking for good answer. What Amazon KDP really is? Is it a scam or some kind of stuff? I'm going to tell you that Amazon KDP is literally not a scam, but it depends on how you see it. So you can see it as a scam, as not a scam. But I'm going to tell you what you should know about Amazon KDP. If it is something you can start or it's something you should forget about. One thing you should know that when you want to make money, you should think of Amazon KDP. But you should know that in life, if you are not rendering goods, you're not rendering services, or you're not selling goods, there is no way you can make money. But Amazon is a big platform because we'll not just jump into what is Amazon KDP without knowing what Amazon really is. And that's the big question. What is Amazon? Because I know a lot of people are on the internet searching what is even Amazon. This is what Amazon is. Amazon was Amazon started on the 5th of July 1994 at the United States, and we all know the history of Amazon. If you go straight to Wikipedia, you want to read about what this Amazon is, you will discover that Amazon is owned by this man, which currently topped as the #1 richest man in the world. That means Amazon is a platform that has various stuff, but what you should put in mind is this called e-commerce. And the second one is what? Digital what? Streaming. What is an e-commerce service? If you click on this and you try to overrun, you can see e-commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling product online, service, or over the internet, just like Jumia in Nigeria. They sell anything. Don't just think Amazon. When you come straight to Amazon and you reload this page without searching for anything, you come and type Amazon.com. It's going to open both where you can buy goods, you can buy books, and every other stuff you think about. That's what makes Amazon a very, very big platform. So this is where Americans come to buy. Those in UK can even buy. They can shop for shoes, anything they think. They can even decide to buy book. But the big question now is, what is the book aspect all about? That is where in November 2007, this dream started. So Amazon launched a part program called Digital Test Platform at that time. So what we do now is we now make all these things you can see. So instead of you just sitting down, you have something you want to sell, you have a service you want to render, for example, how to make a garden, how to grow how to make a beautiful relationship, how to start a YouTube channel. You can pen those things down into write-up. Because if either your stuffs are all in video, or they are in books, or they are in image, or they are in text, these are ways we can send our message. So the test part of it is what we call Amazon KDP. So you can go to Google and make your research, and you keep on searching for something on the internet, and you gather a lot of ideas, you bring them together, then you put a price tag for it and say, this information are expensive, I am taking them straight to Amazon KDP. That is why if you scroll on the internet, you start seeing a lot of information, you start seeing a lot of books, and you start seeing people talking about how they've made money. And if you're not careful enough, you might even see some funny screenshot. Some are even edited. If you're not careful, some are edited, because if I go straight to the images, we might be seeing some Amazon stuff, trying to see some earnings. If we scroll down, trying to see if we can see any earnings, let's just search for something here and say Amazon earnings. You are going to see a lot of people showing Amazon earnings. You can see these, you can see these, you can see everyone showing what they have been doing. That means this stuff, it's paying. If it is not paying, then nobody will be doing it. Even me, I should be a witness. This is one of my accounts. I've been using this for more tutorial. Like if I come straight to a report, trying to check this month and see what I've done in this place, I could see some token in the British pounds. This is what I'm showing you live. So if it's not working, I am human being like you. I don't run adverts, I don't do any stuff. All I do is to just be on my Amazon, on my room with my smartphone. I'm doing my crazy stuff, and we are good to go. I don't know why my network is not giving me the desired result, but I believe it should be up soon. So you can see from this month, there is a little token we can see here. That means this, if you times it by the current rate, this is up to a 200,000 naira. That what makes it beautiful. You can see. So anyone can do it. You can do it. So that's what Amazon KDP. So what do you really do? You just copy content. You make content from your idea. You bring content from the internet. You bring them together. Gather information from books. Very easy to do. Then you publish them on Amazon. So another question I think people ask is, Amazon KDP I've talked about, it's all about packaging, and finally the packaging are in forms of PDF. They're in form of document, they're in form of EPUBs, anything you want to make it as. Then you can continue with what you want. Then if you check my channel, you know that I have been talking about Amazon for a very long time. So this is my my YouTube. So you discover you need to first of all create your KDP account. If you want to start this is totally free. All you have to do is just click create your account and you have it ready. So when you create your account, the next thing you want to do is to create your dollar account. So just go there, find on a way to create your dollar account, and you create your dollar account. Then when you are good, you can search on my channel how to add payment method to it. So how to add pay. Let's search for this and see what comes up. Then you can see how to add your bank information, because your money, the money you make, it is very needed. You add all this directly to your bank account. But that is not the start. The next question is, how do you even research on Amazon? There are a lot of questions in here. If I get out from here and I'm at the video, you can see I've made lots and lots of video on my channel with over 139 talking about Amazon KDP. So all you do is you write something. Anything you feel like writing, can be poem, it can be anything you feel like writing. You can just put it, it can be a notebook, because I sometimes, if you want to even make a journal, you can come here. Let's come to the home section of Canva. Let's say you don't feel like writing, you don't want to go to the internet, you can make beautiful book covers and just sell them. So if I come in, I type notebook. Let's say I want to make something like a notebook. I'm going to come here and say notebook so that I can get ideas about what I want to upload on the Amazon KDP, which is the book section of this. You can see I can decide to make this into 50, then put this as a book cover, then I upload an Amazon KDP. And I get the uploading process is behind the scene. When I say behind the scene, this is where we upload everything. So, but there is no way you can just come here and you start uploading, because there are ways these things are done. That is why you need someone who is very, very experienced. In terms of the book title, you have to understand how the book title works. In terms of the subtitle, you have to understand what makes a good subtitle. That is the research process. That is the very first thing you do. Then in the series, I've talked about series on my channel, many things there. Your author, you can't just go there and start putting your Nigerian name, or you feel like putting something like James Abiodun, or you feel like putting something like Moses. No, you must put a pen name, like a foreign name, makes it beautiful. Then you can move on to your description. Over here, you describe your book. You describe your book to make it beautiful. Then after that, you move on to the next phase and you move down and you fill in the 7 backend keyword. This might look strange, but to me, it's not strange. That is why the best thing you would do now is just go straight to my channel, find the link here and send a message to me and say, hey, I need a full explanation about Amazon KDP. On voice note, I will talk to you. On WhatsApp call, definitely I will talk to you. So to round things up, not just at the Amazon place, there is need for you to have a book cover, because you can't just upload PDF. There is something to represent you. This is what we call a book cover. Or better still, we can come here and search for what? Book cover. So if I search book cover, then a lot of book cover is going to come up, and we will pick anyone. We can edit this, we can create from blank. This is the Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva, even on my channel as well, if you search here and just search for Canva, there should be a lot of videos on Canva on my playlist. Even from my playlist, there is an organized tutorial talking about Canva. You can see we have 3 websites, Amazon, we have Canva, with a lot of videos in this place. If I decide to play it, which I'm not playing, you will see that we have lots and lots of me talking about Canva. So from here, we have many Canva here. Tutorials ranging from how to make book covers, how to make flyers, how to make business cards, social media posts, how to make mock-up invitation cards, how to make custom mugs, and how to transfer your teams, all in Canva. This is what makes my channel the ideal channel to learn Amazon KDP, because I get you
Welcome
covered
back to my YouTube
all
channel.
from
In this
scratch.
tutorial, we'll teach
Let's
you
say
how
you're
to
done
make
making this and you want to talk about cookbook. You can go
Canva,
straight to
all
ChatGPT,
for
for
free.
example,
It's
and
very
say
simple.
chat.openai.com.
I
I want to
will get
write
into my
something
team so that you can
about
have
cook.
access
I want to talk
to the,
about how to
pro
prepare moi,
element,
and you wait for your
Canva.
ChatGPT
So
to
let's
open,
get started.
and you go in
First
there
of all,
and
you
you
should know
search for
Canva,
what you want,
is
and you
a
should
very
have
beautiful,
a very better result.
website
For
when it
example,
comes to
how
creating
to.
stuff.
prepared
with your system, your
more
laptop,
that is in Nigeria.
your smartphone.
And it's going to tell you it's a traditional mix that you can see.
Which I know
right, all you do is to fold your ends, and when you go to go, you just wait for that to come, and you rush fast and open a Google Doc or any or better still, you can open Microsoft Word and paste that content there. So I can say Google Doc, and let me just say doc. I want to open a document, I can just say doc.new, and we have a new document. So all the stuff I created here, I'm going to just copy this, and I might put it inside this place and say, hey, I want you to be in this place. Then it's going to appear in this place. Then we can now move on. So now, for example, I want to paste this here. I'm going to just right click here on my smartphone, depending. I have that content all in this place. So if I don't want to talk about this, I can just decide to make about at least 7 or 100 different kind of dishes in Nigeria. Then I go straight to the canvas I've said before. Then I make my book cover for this. Then I put some designs. Then I upload. Trust me, it might not. It might sound, oh, this boy felt like talking. No,
that is Canva for you.
If you're idle,
so next we have
spare some minutes of your time.
To my YouTube
sometimes
channel,
2 to 3 hours.
I started a
playlist
to
make some
that covers
money,
how to
make some money from this, because
this is
it's very useful. At least if you get this every month, it's worth keeping. This is not the highest, this is just the lowest. This is the tip of the earning. Trust me when I say this. So you see, Amazon KDP is not a scam. So anyone trying to tell you Amazon KDP is a scam, it's a lie. Forget about the screenshot. There are a lot of questions I asked here, which I think I should just review.
In case you want to learn how to
the last one, which is who is the owner? I've talked about it.
Just check on the playlist.
So these have been existing since which year? You can see we have this year. 2007, that's when it started. Another one I've started since.
Ensure you subscribe so that you can join the team.
Ground owner. So the question now is, what will you do? Will you want to say
right now, first
Amazon
of all,
KDP is not my team? I don't have those time. Amazon KDP, if it pays, should be your team. If you say it's not your passion, if it gives you money, you can go for your other passion. But right now, I think you should consider trying this. So head up to my WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp link right now from here, and send me a message. Or better still, you can follow this phone number I'm giving you. This is my direct business line.
So now from this place,
which is a Nigerian number, 9127679022. Come again, +234 9127679022.
So advice is
smash on the subscription button. Yes, smash on it so that you can subscribe. Then over here you can see something like a notification bell around the YouTube. Turn it on so that when I make new video, you can as well.
So moving over the
enjoy
screen,
the benefit.
always check
like
down
other
here.
people.
This means website. So anyone that doesn't have something like this
channel.
is
So
not a
I believe
website.
this video is helpful. You
all
don't know
these
what
here are
Amazon
website.
KDP is.
Website.
No one is
You can
deceiving you. It's all
and
about
become
publishing
yours,
something on
and
the
you can
internet.
customize
Anything
anyone
information you found
anyone that
useful,
suits
you
your
package
type
them
of design,
together and you
you
upload
pick
them.
it
So you don't have to be a writer or author. Anyone can do. You can talk about Bible verses. You can talk about
just wait for it to load.
healing verses.
And
You can talk about poems. You can talk about simple stories. You can talk about simple coloring books, travel guides. You can even talk about.
Have to resize it for
let me talk about motivational
so this
quotes.
is laptop settings. So I'm going to customize this if I want to use
to start
it.
your day.
I will not do that
is
because
what
I
makes
have
it
seen the one
beautiful.
I want to
I believe
use.
you understand. So that is what we have. So everything is fully ready. Sorry for that break. So that is everything about the Amazon KDP. If you are finding difficulty, you're having some questions, feel free to ask me these questions and I will answer everything. There are huge mistakes that kill all this. You can get termination if you don't understand. You can create your account, then on the next day you get terminated because you don't know the rules and regulation. Trust me, every business has rules. This is not a Ponzi scheme that tomorrow you will say, I invested 10,000, I invested 1,000, I invested $1, and I'm waiting next 30 days they will give me 100. No, this is not an investment. You have to learn how things works. So over my channel, you can see I'll be talking a lot of stuffs about Amazon KDP. So don't get deceived. I should be the best one here to tell you what this is. So if you're coming across my channel, hooray! Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video to the end. And thank you for coming to my WhatsApp because that is where we'll move on to the next conversation. I'll see you on the inside and I expect you to start Amazon KDP soonest.